Hi, I'm Marcus Gayu, CEO of Gayu Construction. We're based out of Riverside, California, and we offer solar and roofing services to the entire state of California. Gayu Construction is a full solar and roofing service provider. We have over 9,000 residential solar energy systems installed. We're already installing for the biggest companies and carry the resources and expertise that larger and smaller organizations can depend on. We offer other companies the ability to lower their overhead or to completely outsource their operations. Gayu Construction is a platinum roofing contractor in the Owens Corning family. Owens Corning is a $6 billion company that's been in business for nearly 100 years. And the benefit of going with us is that our warranties are backed by the largest manufacturer of roofing products in the nation. Owens Corning is #1. What that means for us is that we're held to a higher standard. Each designated roof gets a 50-year workmanship and material warranty backed by Owens Corning. Our customers can rest assured that their roof is going to be at the top 1% of all projects in the nation. If you need a company that you can trust or depend on to get the job done on time and in budget and follow through on commitments made, give us a call.